Elephants are known for their strong emotional connections, especially within their family herds. When a member of the herd passes away, elephants exhibit behaviors similar to human grief, such as standing vigil over the body, touching or caressing the deceased, and emitting mournful sounds. These mourning rituals reflect their deep bonds and social cohesion. The loss of a key member can have long-term effects on elephant herds, impacting their social dynamics and individual well-being. Elephants' capacity for empathy and compassion extends beyond their species, showcasing their complex emotional lives and intelligence.